Hi everyone, I'm Anushka, and this is John. Welcome to A Chatter Corner. If you're new here, don't worry. Every day we bring you a new English word, simple examples, and tips to speak confidently in real life. We're so glad you're here and ready to learn with us.
Yes, and today we're going to explore a word that can completely change the way you communicate. Articulate. Do you know what it really means?
I've heard people say, she's so articulate. Maybe it's about speaking clearly?
Exactly. But let's dive deeper. To articulate means to express your thoughts or feelings clearly and effectively. It's not just saying words, it's about speaking in a way that people understand and connect with you.
Oh, like when you explain your idea in a meeting confidently. Your words flow naturally and everyone listens.
Perfect. And today we'll see how to use articulate in real conversations. Here are some examples to make it stick. Even though he was nervous, he articulated his thoughts clearly during the presentation. She is so articulate that everyone enjoys listening to her ideas. It's important to articulate your feelings honestly in a relationship.
See, it's not just a fancy word, it's practical. You can use it at school, college, workplace, or even with friends.
Imagine you're in an interview. I did some work and it was fine.
Now, if you were articulate, it would sound like, I led a team of 5 to develop a project that improved efficiency by 20%, and I presented the results to senior management clearly and confidently.
Wow. That already sounds professional and confident. That's the power of being articulate.
Here are 3 simple tips. Think before you speak. Organize ideas in short points. Practice out loud, even 1 sentence a day with your new word. Listen and repeat. Mimic how fluent speakers express themselves.
And the best part? You can practice today's word, articulate, in the comments. Write 1 sentence about your day using it. We'll read them and feature some in the next video.
And don't forget our daily quiz in the community post. Pick the correct sentence using articulate. He spoke so articulate that everyone understood him. She articulated her ideas clearly during the presentation. They articulate happy at the party. If you picked 2, you're correct. Comment your answer and write your own sentence too.
You know, we understand how hard learning English can feel. The fear of mistakes, the hesitation to speak. We've been there. That's why every word we share is for you, to help you feel confident and ready to express yourself every day. And here's how you can help. Reach 10,000 views and 1,000 subscribers. Every like, comment, and share helps grow our learning family. Your support shapes the channel and allows us to make better videos for you.
Remember, tomorrow's word might just be the one that changes your way of speaking. Stay tuned, comment today's word, try it in your conversations, and grow with us at A Chatter Corner.